Here the question is to explain the role of depressants in froth flotation process. Depressant is a chemical used to selectively prevent certain minerals from floating while allowing others to do so. It helps in separating valuable minerals from unwanted ones by inhibiting the attachment of the specific minerals to the froth. For example, in the flotation of sulfide ores, a depressant like sodium cyanide can be used to suppress the flotation of pyrite while allowing the flotation of copper or zinc sulfides. The second one is the role of carbon monoxide in Mond's process. Mond's process is used to extract nickel from its ore, and in this process the carbon monoxide plays a crucial role in forming nickel tetracarbonyl NiCO4. It is a volatile compound and the reaction can be represented as nickel react with 4 moles of carbon monoxide. They will produce the complex nickel tetracarbonyl. The carbon monoxide reacts with the nickel to produce this carbonyl, which is then purified by the thermal decomposition to obtain the pure nickel. The third one is the role of concentrated sodium hydroxide in leaching of alumina from bauxite. Sodium hydroxide is used in Bayer process for the extraction of alumina from bauxite ore. It involves several steps. In the first step, the bauxite ore is mixed with hot concentrated sodium hydroxide and they will produce sodium aluminate. This is soluble and the sodium aluminate solution is separated from the insoluble residue through sedimentation and filtration. The alumina is precipitated from the sodium aluminate solution by adjusting the pH, typically by adding carbon monoxide or other reagents. So we can say sodium hydroxide helps to dissolve the alumina from the bauxite ore and facilitate its subsequent extraction.